how to hide apps on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let's continue with the video. So in this video, I will show you guys 3 methods on how you can hide apps. You cannot blatantly hide them by making them go private or making sure that only you're able to use them. No, those are some things that you cannot do currently on an iPhone, but there are some neat tricks that you can use in order to hide apps. The first one I would say is hiding the page in which your app is. Let's say there are 2 pages on my iPhone right now, and let's say I want to hide the first page. All you have to do is long press on the home screen, and over here you can see the 3 dots available on the bottom part of the screen. You have to press on those 3 dots, and you can see that there are currently 2 pages on my iPhone. All I have to do now is uncheck the one that I want to hide, and that's it. That page will now be hidden. You cannot access that page. But if you want to use that page again, all you have to do is repeat the process, long press on the home screen, click on the dots, and check the option this time and check the page that you want to unhide and click on done. Now that's one way of doing or hiding apps. The other way is directly long pressing on them and clicking on removing them. So this will remove it from the home screen, but it will not remove it for the app library. This can only be done for default apps. If you have other apps, you will need to turn them off through screen time. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below on what next videos we should make. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.